This is the Bellflower floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, one of our most versatile two-story designs. The Bellflower is part of our Classic series, with 4 to 6 bedrooms in over 3,500 to more than 4,200 square feet. There are 4 different variations of the Bellflower, along with multiple exterior elevations to choose from. The covered front porch welcomes you inside. You'll find a large study with double doors as well as a half bathroom. Then there's a front bedroom with its own bath, perfect for guests. From here you can either go upstairs or enter the formal dining room, where you have the option to replace it with a downstairs media room. The family room with soaring ceiling is a defining feature of the Bellflower, with an optional floor-to-ceiling fireplace. The home has an open concept kitchen with a large island that faces the family room, along with plenty of cabinets, a huge walk-in pantry, and the roomy breakfast nook with window seat. Look at all the natural light, thanks to the extra windows Bloomfield includes at no additional cost. Also standard with the Bellflower is this covered patio right off the family room and kitchen. Escape to the primary suite with a wall of windows. In the bathroom, take advantage of the separate vanities. This is the upgraded walk-in shower, or you can go with the standard shower tub combo. And one of the favorite features in the Bellflower, the walk-in closet, has a second door with direct access to the laundry room. As you make your way upstairs, this is where the Bellflower really shines. 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath and game room are standard, but you have the option to add a media room, 5th bedroom with or without a bath, or an in-law suite complete with 2 walk-in closets, a garden tub, separate shower, and dual sinks. This is one of the best values for a brand new home in the entire Metroplex. We include more standard features at the base price than any other builder. Granite countertops with undermount sinks in the kitchen and bathrooms, large windows throughout the home, contemporary light fixtures, along with so much more. The Bellflower is available with a 2-car garage and 2.5 or 3-car garage options in select communities. You'll love coming home to the Bellflower. Visit one of our models and find a Bloomfield home that's right for you.